so foggy today. As you can see, halos hindi mo makikita yung daan sa malayo. Buti na lang, nakatira tayo sa malapit. Thank you, Lord, for the opportunity. I appreciate everything you give it to me. Have a good night, Philippines and Asia. Ingat po kayo palagi. Always pray to God and put God at the center of your heart. Lahat isusumbong mo sa Panginoon at ikaw ay pakikinggan niya at ibigay niya yung kahilingan mo. Basta taos puso mo itong hinihiling. God is always good all the time. May God will heal those who are sick, and may God keep us always safe and protect us away from danger. He's our guidance, our only guidance in this world. God knows everything. God knows what's in your heart, what's in your mind, whether it's past, future, or present. Kaya lahat isusumbong natin kay Lord. Kasi si Lord pa nakakaalam ng lahat. At lagi tayong magpapasalamat kahit maliit man o malaki yung mga binibigay niya sa atin. Or kahit anumang problema o happiness na binibigay niya sa atin. We have to be thankful everything. Because God is in control. This guy is driving slow. It's very foggy. Wow. Kaya ingat-ingat tayo palagi. And we are here. It's very foggy, guys. Foggy morning.